Nautilus. Nautiluses have spiral shells. They live in deep seas. They are ancient animals that look like living fossils. Sea snake. Sea snakes are long and slim. They live in warm, tropical seas. They are strong swimmers and breathe air. Penguin. Penguins are black and white birds. They cannot fly but swim fast. They live in cold southern oceans. Puffin. Puffins are seabirds with colorful beaks. They can dive into the sea to catch fish. They look like clowns of the sea. Albatross. Albatrosses are giant seabirds. They have the longest wings in the world. They can fly across whole oceans. Seagull. Seagulls are white and gray birds. They live near beaches. They eat fish crabs and even scraps from people. Pelican. Pelicans have big beak pouches. They scoop fish from the sea. They often fly in groups over the waves. Cormorant. Cormorants are black seabirds. They dive underwater to catch fish. Afterward, they spread their wings to dry. Frigate bird. Frigate birds are big with forked tails. Males have red throat pouches. They puff up. They soar high above the sea. Tern. Terns are small white seabirds. They dive quickly for fish. They migrate long distances every year. Gannet. Gannets are large white birds. They crash into the water to catch fish. They live in noisy colonies on cliffs. Petrel. Petrels are small seabirds. They fly close to the waves. They are often seen far from land. Shearwater. Shearwaters glide low over the ocean. They travel very long distances. They rest on the water's surface at night. Storm petrel. Storm petrels are tiny seabirds. They flutter over waves like little butterflies. Sailors once called them storm birds. Anchovy shrimp. Anchovy shrimps are tiny and clear. They swim in large groups. They are food for many bigger fish. Cleaner shrimp. Cleaner shrimps are red and white. They clean other fish by eating parasites. Fish wait in line for their service. Coral crab. Coral crabs are small and bright. They hide inside corals. They protect the coral from enemies. Spider crab. Spider crabs have long legs. They crawl slowly on the sea floor. They cover themselves with seaweed to hide. King crab. King crabs are huge with spiny shells. They live in cold northern seas. They walk sideways on long legs.